Okay, so we are here in, that's it, Van Nuys, right?
Van Nuys.
Van Nuys with
Scott.
Scott. Hi, Scott. Explain us a little bit how it was before, what Green Advisor did, and how much time?
Before, this whole area was a giant deck that was falling apart, rotten wood, all that, loose nails coming out. So the team took...
Not safe.
Not safe. The team took the entire deck down, built a new one that's smaller and more functional, and then laid out these pavers,
Much safer.
making the entire backyard way bigger, much more functional, and then installing this greenery and plant work all around the side.
Okay. How was the experience? Professional?
Fantastic.
With Green Advisor, you recommend us?
Yeah, quick, in and out, 5 days for the whole project.
Wow.
Incredible.
Looks good. Okay, thank you very much.